Dimensional reporting using Acumatica subaccounts. Acumatica provides flexible account and subaccount structures to match your business needs and to provide powerful, multidimensional reporting features. In this video, I will demonstrate subaccounts and how they can be used within your transactions and reports. In Acumatica, the subaccount is a segmented key, which means that it can be broken down into smaller units. In this example, I have two segments for my sales revenue, one for product group and one for department. When I view the segment for my product group, you can see that we have broken this group down into multiple facets and dimensions. Acumatica makes it extremely easy for me to add new values. So for example, if I decide to start selling a new product line, I can very easily add the subaccount segment value. And as I do that, this new segment value will be added throughout the rest of Acumatica for me to include in my transactions and in my reports. In order to highlight this, let's add a new invoice for a customer. I'll select my customer, and as I add my line item details, notice that in my subaccount section, my new segment value for metallic items appears as a factor that I can utilize in my line item description that will then roll up to my reports. I've run my profit and loss report to highlight this a bit further. When we first run this report, we can see that our sales revenue is consolidated. Acumatica makes it very easy for me to get to the definition behind my report and start to utilize the subaccounts that we have seen throughout this demonstration. For example, if I highlight my row set and choose my sales data source, you can see that right now we are viewing the report simply by account. But if I choose to view my profit and loss report by subaccount and apply and save, when I preview and run my report the next time, you'll now see that my revenue is no longer consolidated, but it's broken out using the subaccounts that we have seen highlighted here. Acumatica even allows me to take this one step further and to report not only by row set, but by unit set. In this case, you can see that I have unit sets available for my branches, products, and subsidiaries. In this case, I will choose my product, save, and as I preview my report and run it, you will now notice that I can view my report broken out by the individual subaccounts that we have, and I can drill down into each one of those subaccounts to get a picture of just that value by itself. These subaccounts are allowing you to break out all of the different categories of sales revenue in order to get a better picture of the multiple dimensions and factors that are involved in your business's sales. Acumatica subaccounts allow you to create up to 10 segments to appear in your reports. You can add values on the fly, and we make it very easy to use with no IT personnel required. These reporting tools will automatically display new values for you, and you can view your consolidated reports or break them out by your different subaccounts. Thank you for attending this demonstration today. For more information, please contact your local Acumatica reseller, or you can contact Acumatica directly at the number shown here, or via information, that's info@acumatica.com. Thank you.